Hey everyone, well, short video tonight, but it's another one on the Nissan. I've got this trip coming up. I mentioned it before. I had planned on installing some flange mount LED reverse lights in the rear bumper and wiring them up and everything. And the trip's coming up in about a week. I decided I just don't have time to get that done. I've got a lot of other work going on, and I've just got the evenings, an hour or two here and there to tinker on the truck. So I decided, you know, in the short term, I'm just going to upgrade the factory reverse lights with some aftermarket LEDs. And I did a little bit of digging, and I found some specialty stores that sold, you know, specific kits for the truck. They're just a standard bulb, but I found what I think is a really good solution on Amazon, and they're nice big LEDs. They've got an aluminum heat sink on the driver, and I don't know, the specs I think you could probably call into question. It seems these days there really isn't any honesty in the in the number of lumens that a light puts out. But what I'll do is I'll do some before and after shots with the truck. I'll back it out, it's dark outside, turn on the factory reverse lights, and then install the new LED lights. We'll back the truck out and do the same shot again, and I'll put them side by side at the end, and you guys can see for yourselves if they're any good. So let's get to it. Now, the backup bulbs are just a standard halogen bulb like this. I think these are 921 I'm pretty sure. They're a 16 watt bulb. So what I found are these right here. These are just a replacement for 921s, but obviously they're LEDs, and I think they claim 2200 lumens or something like that. I don't know. I'm just interested to plug them in and see how bright they are. I'll post the link in the video description for you, but yeah. Really, the install should be pretty easy. 10mm wrench, take out a couple of screws, and that's really all there is to it. Let's get this tail light out of here. Oh yeah, that one's working. Let's get this one in. So if you look at these four photos here, the top two are with the factory reverse lights and the bottom two are with the aftermarket ones. And the pictures really don't do it justice. There is significantly more light available with the aftermarket LED bulbs. You can just see a lot more in the mirrors, direct line of sight, and also through the backup camera as well. They really add quite a bit of visibility in the dark. Okay, I couldn't film my outro last night because I got called out to a fire, and had to rush off and go take care of that, and I was too tired by the time I got home. But my conclusion on these lights here, I really like them. Not sure how well it'll show up on the video or the photos, but they really add a significant amount of light to the back of the truck when the backup lights are on. One thing I didn't film that I wish I would have was how much more visibility is added with the backup camera. The backup camera can see a whole lot more with the new lights than they could before. Well, I really like them, and I like them enough that I bought another set for my son's Frontier here. And it turns out that my Ram also takes the same lights for its reverse lights. So I ordered a set for that as well. So I now have 3 sets of these lights. That's how much I like them. So that's it for this video. I know it was a little bit shorter one, just changing out some reverse lights, but you know, I kind of wanted to evaluate them just a little bit, see if they were any good. But I really like them. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. And just a sneak preview of the next video I'm working on in the next day or two. This is a Starlink satellite dish. Pretty cool. I got accepted into Starlink's beta test program, and so now I have broadband internet. It's not, I can't really have it mobile yet. It's not licensed for that, but at least in a close area around my house, I can take it and set it up temporarily, and it's awesome. Broadband pretty much anywhere I am, even if there's no cell service. So that video is coming up. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.